Imagine the year 1000. Wild America, endless forests, and a wooden cart carrying children to school. And now the year 2070, a levitating yellow bus with no driver, virtual reality, inside, and nanotechnology. Over 1,070 years, the same yellow school bus has traveled from a rough cart to a space shuttle. Right now, you will see this incredible evolution in one frame. Hold on, it will be a shock. Now go pour yourself a nice cup of hot tea. Take a deep breath and relax. If you enjoyed this, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next evolution. Check out my playlist. There are even more mind-blowing time-lapse waiting for you. And please write in the comments which version shocked you the most or what should evolve next. Your thoughts mean a lot to me. See you in the next video.